Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog from forinderecipe.com. I was just looking through my picture albums, photo albums, and I realized I have this a set of photos and videos that I haven't shared, and it is for chocolate cake with peppermint buttercream. This was for my oldest birthday back in 2019 actually. He requested this Vault Boy cake. Vault Boy is a character from a game called Fallout. So yeah, if you like to make a chocolate cake with peppermint buttercream, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Here is the cake, and the character in the middle is Vault Boy, and here is the birthday boy. For the dry ingredients, this is two and a half cup flour with 2 cups sugar, 2 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of or 2 salt, and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You just mix it well until completely combined. This makes 3 cakes. Wet ingredients is half cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon peppermint extract, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoon vinegar, and 2 cups of water. And again, mix it well and combine wet and dry ingredients and put into your baking pan and bake them on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. If you make 2 cakes, slice one of them, and you'll be stacking these 3 cakes with ganache in the center and buttercream on the other layer. For the ganache, boil 2/3 cup heavy cream and melt 10 ounces semi-sweet chocolate in it, and then keep stirring until spreadable. For the cream, this is 5 egg whites, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 pound unsalted butter. You boil in double boiler, heat egg whites and sugar until 160 Fahrenheit, making sure water isn't fully boiled, and then cool to room temperature and beat in the butter. Pipe the cream, spread ganache, top cakes, repeat, and then decorate as you wish. What's about the cake?
It's Vault Boy.
Vault Boy.
And it's mint cake.
You're crazy. Is it good?
I can assure you I can taste mint.
Yeah, it is. Mint buttercream. Is it good?
I want my say